Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Peace and Joy Bundle, and this is a sweet little Christmas card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Peace and Joy Bundle, and we're going to be using Bright and Mary Ann. Excuse me. So we will start with our stamping. I have a piece of Whispered White. And I'm going to come in with my COASTAL-CABANA ink. And then I have Bright mounted on clear block H. So just like that. And then I have Mary Ann, both mounted on clear block A. And I'm just going to put it here in the top corner. And that's all the stamping we're doing. I'm going to bring in my cut and emboss machine. And so I have that. And I'm going to use these dies. So this one's going to cut out the letters, and then I have a piece of COASTAL-CABANA, and that is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm just going to put it here in the center because we're also going to use that card as a mat. So we'll run that through. All right, I'll get that out of the way. There we go. We're going to hang on to that. I'll put this to the side. So we're going to mount that just like that. I come in with my silicone sheet. And I have my Stampin' Seal. And I'm just going to get it all over. And then I'm going to come in with my Take Your Pick tool. And I'm just going to pull away the little pieces of adhesive that stuck. So just like that. All right, and then I'm going to come in with my paper snips. And I'm just going to cut around here roughly. All right, so there we have that. Now I have a piece of the Trimming the Town Designer Series paper, and I'm going to put some Stampin' Seal rather. Still getting used to this one. And this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I'm going to use this as my mat piece. Give it a good rub down. And then I'm going to put some more adhesive. And then our card base is real red, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So just like that. Then I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals. That should be enough. All right, and I'm just going to situate this sideways just like that. Then I'm going to come in with one more Stampin' Dimensional and put it right here in the center. So I had made this card for our team. I don't remember if it was a color challenge or... I think we just had to design a card using the Peace and Joy stamp set. Next, I'm going to come in with the Wonderful Gems. And I'm going to use these red ones here. And so first of all, I know I want one on the eye. And then I'm going to put one down here in this corner and one up here in that corner. So there you have it, a quick and simple card. Let me move this just a little bit. And this is the card on the left that I had designed for the challenge. So let me know which one you like, the left or the right. I love reading your guys' comments. Thanks for watching. And if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!